Yeah, man.
Alright.
There's a fuck up everything.
Mash it up, Dana.
Alright. Right, my check high. Flight deck, flex like biceps, 9 reps, 9 next, 19. Crime leg.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Straight out of Jamaica, we're back with another Vybz Kartel reaction again. No, the amount of time I said that from there, I was two others. I just few. Why? Anyway, so I have Wasp featuring Vybz Kartel. The song is titled Vybz Kartel Official Gmix Gaza Mix 2020. Yo, so yo, the viewers them say, oh long, yo, check out the Wasp on Vybz Kartel. I think Wasp made a song titled Vybz Kartel. This is a remix to it. Yes. Yeah, I guess. I didn't get to react to it because I didn't listen to that. I didn't really listen to it fully, but I started and it's like, you know what, I ain't gonna react to it right now. But I'm gonna do this right now because y'all been pushing me and saying, yo, run in. So I have this right now. Comment on this video to see your comment over here. So in my next video, we'll post every single day. So for the most views with the reaction, them under the right place. So post every day. Watch I reach 10,000 subscribers. So be consistent with it. So please support the thing, people. You understand me? Really now, I run through it now. Let's chat things.
Yeah. You don't know. I'm the teacher. World boss.
Alright.
World boss. I'm the teacher. World boss. I'm the teacher.
Alright, so far, before the madness even start, so far we know say we hear the instrumentals alright. It's like an R&B instrumental. You understand me? And then you hear Kartel up on the track. I'm the teacher. World boss. You know say something mad gonna go on. No, run through and let's chat things, yeah man.
You don't know, you know. Yeah, man.
Alright.
There's a fuck up everything.
Mash it up, Dana.
Alright. Right, my check high. Flight deck, flex like biceps, 9 reps, 9 next, 19. Crime leg, spine stream, digest, guy scream, high def. Mix that DJ, chromic, nice. Did not need your phone for vice. Kicks that clean, your force is white. Fix pan.
Yo, me telling you, dog. From recently, you know, dog, all the Kartel flow them up on a different level recently, you know. Yo, brother, this song my Kartel release from recent, me know, brother. It's like it's a whole different person. You know, sure Kartel even make them sing right now, dog. When you really believe Kartel say the right song, dog, me know it. Because I don't know when I get so much different, all of them flow up on a different level compared to every other Kartel song. It's like in game like an upgrade thing since which month we here? Since May. I'm here. Since like late April, we get a little upgrade. Big up to Thompson. Big up yourself. Thompson commenting, guys are at the right. Anyways, it's like he made a little update, dog. Like he us update dance a little bit and say hello enough go step up on the gate. But run tune.
Jeans of course it tight, but the fuck them feel like Ray Charles. Man yam them food with breakfast. And mayonnaise sauce when near sides me a dance all rebirth. 10 nations qualities of a leader. 10 year plus no more than that. Portmore man black, 4 man clap, but 4 man trap. Cassos clear style. Don't know man a rebirth. So psycho, teacher, Michael, Josie's 4/5 done them, run them down, world boss world. Hey, come shake your ass, girl. World boss world. World boss world.
But if you never like that, be fire. Right now, I want to see be fire much right now in the comment section. Not bad. That little flow that I don't know where I did get them flow here from, but recent dog, Kartel flow like it just upgrade them on a different level. Remember if I lie me I tell people. Because what's I deal with on the track right now.
Me feel like Addy, better than everybody, not feel nobody. Me can't trust nobody.
Yeah.
Me monitor like me in Illuminati.
Yeah.
Me roll with a shotty.
Yeah.
Like Tony Montana, El Chapo like Papi. No pussy can't stop it. Girl them fan give me pussy, me make them happy.
Tony Montana, El Chapo like Papi. Alright, Wasp, alright. But come on, never made Wasp song fully, and me just start listening to it and never listen to the whole like. You understand me? Me not gonna tell no lie. You understand? Me tell you the truth, I say go dog. So right now go see what go on some more for us. What's for the way so far? Go on.
Me flyer than visa, get pussy easier.
Yeah.
Get it hotter than fever.
Yeah.
But me want a girl liar like Tanisha. What do to Caesar this Caesar?
Yeah.
Go
What
man
class the man pick up be a bad song? I the album the man I pick up in a theme verse I go on right now. I said, hold on, no, I saw him song did go free. Yeah. He must think back theme verse on theme song. I let him really do that song free. I let him say free. like Tanisha. Yeah. No, like, I run
Latifa, run up me smoke you like reefer. Girl give me toppings like pizza. Govern the world fast. Me run the planet like world boss. Take with your girl when your girl pass. Suck your mama dog a your fault. Smoother than lotion, she wet like a ocean. Me roll up my Trojan, give her hard. Sick with the bars from behind the bars. Get more visit than a churchyard. Money I run. Life is a blessing. Give thanks to my son. Him born as a star. Him a go reach far. Like little vibes and little addy. I got successful in life. Which is right.
Little vibes and little addy. What's my damn up the road, man? But what's my bad artist in the people right now? I want to go check out Wasp page. They say if you not watch my reaction right now, I'm not even subscribe to Wasp. I'm not going to subscribe to Wasp and check out him thing. You see me, I say, I want to say guys around the world, you know. So run the tune, like check out the last video I just reacted to, by the way, guys around the world. If we never watched that one day before, watch that one. You understand me? But I only must watch it because I don't think we come to this right now. I just done it. I just changed the shirt and say, no, run tune. Run tune!
Hope him look up to me like how we look up to Rodney Price. Move precise, I will stand out and outshine. Relevant up to the time, learn that from vibes. In a dancer, I the other man. I the bantan, I the one dan.
Yeah.
Wanna rum all a condom, you understand? Undisputed champion. Turn bleachers in a grandstand. Grandstand turn bleachers constant. Them have a head concussion. No IG life, ask Russian.
Yeah.
Me tell Shanice
oh,
I
the IG life, I know it's a Russian have a bad IG life. The girl go on bad on Instagram. I go check out them little bam and a bag of split and a bag of head-up action. The one that's come out and they big up everything in a Gaza camp. They want big up whole like some famous song name. Then they big up to Tanisha album. And then he just yeah. We rate the movement. Blow up road. And he kinda look like Adi now here too. But he just now so the man fat, wipe on that, but he just like you know? Yeah. Run tune.
Mean it. Nobody no sign me, but them soon find me when me achieve it. Yeah. I dey run the whole place on my jail cell. Undisputed Vybz Kartel. Freedom is a must. Wish you well. I'm feeling like Addy. Better than everybody, not feel nobody.
Yeah.
Me can't trust nobody. Me monitor like me in Illuminati. Me roll with a shotty. Like Tony Montana, El Chapo like Papi.
Yeah.
No pussy can't stop me. Girl them fan give me pussy. Me make them happy. 90% of the artists them listen to Kartel. See that roll from a DX. Rodney Price. Give them some music industry. Now if you pay respect to you while you alive. No man know the hour, the minute, the signs of the time.
Thanks checking out my reaction as usual. And if for the most lit music video reactions, people, you're at the right place. So consider subscribing to my channel if it's the first time here. You understand? When I say lit, we mean lit. You can go check out the channel. I'm not telling you no lie. You understand? Looking at me. You think me a lie? And the baddest thing them over here, so I may run this. The reaction boss, them call me. Check the comment section. You're going to see BFI emoji done this. Cause I run the world, them say people. We're up and out, you know. Guess what? Hold on. See that? I take it up. I'm out.